It's gonna max out at like 800. Look at that view though. All right, new battery, so we don't have to struggle jumping it. Mirrors out. I'm gonna wash it real quick. It's dirty as hell. New boost controller. It's gonna struggle a little bit. It's a little cold today, and it's only 85, so. Almost. There it is. And there it goes. Well, anyways, y'all get the point. I'm gonna go ahead and move it right here. Give it a quick wash. Probably give the dually a quick wash as well. And load it up in the trailer. Bought some welds for Dinoco. Got 20 by 7 on the front, 15 by 10 on the back. I already got the tires for the back. There's the tires for the front. Got my buddy Alan, who works at Discount Tire. He's gonna mount them for me. I don't want to take them to any of these tire shops because I know they can scratch them or whatever. And they're so light, I can carry each on each end. Imagine as the tailgate opens as I'm driving on the freeway. I was about to pull this one. Don't even do anything. Now I gotta crawl out the window. Hey, brake. Jeez. I think that's could have gone forward a little bit. All right, just got here. I'll go ahead and unload it. I just had the weirdest thing happen. So, oh jeez, hold on. I don't know if I showed you guys. Oh yeah, I think I put a brand new battery. I get in, turn the key, nothing. Mess with the battery, everything, nothing. Turn the key, dead, like if I had no battery connector or anything. And then I just moved the turn signal and then left the key on the whole time. See if I was just moving stuff with the key on, see if it would turn on. And as soon as I like mess with this or something, I like ding ding. I don't know, weird.
A whole lot of more business got to live here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just gotta turn it up.
Race tires. Race tires. You got like three more passes on those.
Right.
How much do you think you're gonna make?
With the fuel system that I got, it's gonna max out at like 800. All right, got Dinoco on the trailer. They're not able to put the front ones because the tires that I have on it doesn't match the truck's weight, so they can't do that. I'm not trying to get them in trouble, so they can only put the back ones on. But shout out to my boy Alan for putting them on. We're gonna head back to the house and then I'll go ahead and put the front ones. All right guys, made it back home. Not sure how I feel about the chrome lip. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me, but I'm kind of thinking about getting it painted black and then just leave this right here machined, kind of like this how it is, but just paint this black. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the fronts on I'm kind of excited to change the wheels on the front. The whole time I've owned this truck, which has been like, I don't know, 7, 8 years, somewhere around there, I've never changed the front wheels at all. Never. It's always had the, well, literally this is the wheels that it came with. I changed the back ones like 2 times. I had race stars at first, and then I had the Cosmes, as you know, and then these now. So this is the first time ever I'm gonna put a different type of wheel on the front, so I'm excited for it. All right, I got this one out of the Yukon over there. Might just have to do it the old-fashioned way. Should be the same size. Yeah, I just need to take them off either way. Don't turn. God damn. Should I stand on it? There it is. One thing I'm planning on doing is changing out my front suspension lowering kit. What I got right now is a drop spindle with a lowering strut. I don't like it. This lowering kit gives you camber, so it's got a lot of camber right now, as you can tell on this tire right here. Look at that. And that probably has to do with, you know, alignment, which is one thing I never did when I lowered this truck like 5 years ago. All right, put them on. Moment of truth. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like how the fronts look. Let me jump on there real quick. My boot don't fit. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go take it for a spin. See how the new wheels feel. Such a weird lighting. Oh, that's flames. Dang, nice. All right, so finally I get to show you guys. I don't know why it's doing this. Look, once I let it sit for a while, brand new battery. I can try multiple times. Nothing, but look, watch. There's a turn signal. What? Why is it doing that? I guess it's my own custom kill switch or something. Look at that view though. Alright, just a baby pool, just a baby pool. Look at that view though.